up, guys? It's Joe Mascarello from Side Hustle Experiment. For those of you new here, I am a six-figure Amazon seller. I sell mostly books and media, and today is Sunday, so I'm going to do a weekly recap of basically what went down this week in reselling and what I plan on doing next week, and kind of go over whether I hit my goals for the week. So this week basically was just one of those weeks that it wasn't terrible, but it wasn't great either. I'm working on implementing a merchant fulfilled process at the warehouse, as well as getting OA under control, getting a new repricer set up. So for merchant fulfilled, I was originally just going to list the books, put them in a certain order, and then they started selling, and I was having trouble finding them. So basically, I had to backtrack and come up with a way to track them. I ended up going with a software called ScanLister. ScanLister is another listing software, and they have a feature that allows you to print tickets for merchant fulfilled. So basically, moving forward, I'll be using this system. I have about maybe 150-ish books that I recalled from Amazon. Or I recalled like maybe 250, 300, but 150 of them are still a good fit. For Merchant Fulfilled, a bunch of the other ones went to buyback companies. So we spent a good chunk of time doing that this week. Um, so yeah, I'm doing that process. I did find a new repricer. Um, I just have to now implement a couple rules to get it up and running. And what else happened this week? I did write down some notes here. We cleaned out the warehouse. We made sets of pretty much all the sets that we have um, to send to Amazon, like Twilight, Harry Potter, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Um, there was another set, but yeah, we sent about almost $700 worth of books that were sets to Amazon this week. We sent another maybe 300 books to Amazon FBA. So it was kind of a busy week. I didn't get done everything I wanted to get done. So let me grab my phone real quick. So the things that I wanted to accomplish this week was make my first OA purchase. I actually just did that maybe like 2 hours ago. I did set up tactical arbitrage. I'm actually not even sure if this counts because technically online arbitrage is, you buy it online and then they send it to your house and then you send it to Amazon. But for this, the item I bought, Amazon's out of stock at, and it happened to be at a store right by my house. It's only 10 minutes away. So I went there quick, picked it up, and I just listed it Merchant Fulfilled about an hour or two ago. So we'll see if that sells. Um, Probably not the greatest buy, just because the price is jacked up because Amazon is out of stock. It seems like they've been out of stock for like 30 days. They came back on the listing for about a day or two. Um, but even if they do come back in stock, I will at least make my money back at a price lower than a price lower than theirs. So I feel like it's a decent buy. So I just stuck that in. I wanted to find a new repricer. I did find a new repricer. I went with Be Cool. Um, Still working on getting that set up. I don't know. It's different. I've never been really good at setting up repricers and new software. It's just a lot when you have books because, there's, I think, 6,000 books there right now. So yeah, it's hard to come up with a single rule for all of them. And yeah, so we'll get more to that later. I had to write out new goals for the business. I did not get to that this week. I will be doing that this week for sure. Like I said, it was just a crazy week. Um, a lot came up. Merchant fulfilled, like it seems like. Actually, let me keep going, and then I'll get back into that. Um, Process 12 Gaylords. We went through 12 Gaylords, but we didn't finish completely processing them. We listed everything on Amazon, both merchant fulfilled and FBA, but I did not finish the eBay stuff. I I think I have 18-ish listings that are already researched and drafted. I just have to take the pictures, and then there's probably another like 20 or 30 more items to research. I had complete April's bookkeeping. I did that. A video day on YouTube. I did that. And then get YouTube channel updated. Fill out the about section. Get a picture. Add some links. I did not get to that either. That was just not really a top priority. Um, just based on everything else going on. I am usually not, well, I'm not an excuse person. Basically, like, kind of like no one cares, get it done. But some things just take more precedent over others. And basically, one of the things I did want to talk about today is, sometimes like to get a new repricer, to set up like a merge filled system, like that stuff doesn't take like 5 minutes or an hour. I mean, we spent probably almost I don't know, half a day getting the merch fulfilled ticketing set up, uh getting the software, learning how to use the software, uh how clearing space upstairs to dedicate just to merch fulfilled on Amazon, and then getting the repricer. Like, I got it, found the one that I wanted to. You entered all your Amazon credentials, and this one like downloads all your inventory. So I didn't do that until I think Thursday or Friday. So it took like 8 hours before my inventory, or I could even come up with repricing rules. And then again, it's a whole new software that you just don't use overnight. I mean, the softwares that I use now, like Accelerlist, Scout IQ, Keepa, like all that kind of stuff, like at first, like it was super overwhelming. I didn't know how to use it, but then as you use it, you get like much quicker. You learn some hacks. Um, so yeah, that's kind of one of the big takeaways this week. Things take time. Implementing systems take time. One thing that did go really well this week is the helper. Um, I didn't have like a ton of work for him to do because uh, obviously scanning the books. Um, after you do that, that's kind of his main thing, and kind of sorting eBay stuff. But I really want to like push myself this week to use my like delegation muscle, to instead of just being like, oh, I'm gonna do all this stuff, like it won't take me that long. I had him come and basically found stuff for him to do. Um, and it was great. Like, building all those sets for Amazon, that was, that's going to be worth $600-700 profit. Um, and yeah, I could do it, and I could, but like I've been trying to get to it for, I don't know, a month or two. So definitely doing a better job with that. And I plan on, getting more help or having him do more as well, so I could focus on some other stuff. I mean, this week, another thing that kind of threw a wrench into things was not having the lister. So I listed all the books this week. So if I had that day back, I could probably have done eBay and get that done. So yeah, that was kind of the week that happened. It was a little bit of a, crazy week where it felt like not a lot got done, but a lot got set up for the future. And I need to have more days like that. Basically, like something like a repricer, once you find it, get it set up, get your inventory loaded, and you finally like figure out how to use it, then it's great. But, getting to that point, there is a learning curve and it takes time, but once it's implemented, it'll be totally worth it, totally worthwhile. So I'm excited for that day to come. So for next week, I want to buy, find, and purchase at least 5 products for online arbitrage. I do have some idea of what niches I'm going to be looking into, and I will get into that with you guys in another video. I want to get the repricer set up and going. I want to get all those merchant fulfilled books listed that came back from Amazon. I want to get at least 20 items listed on eBay. Right now, there's 18 drafted, so, or however many I get from this Gaylord, the last Gaylord. Get that, all the pictures taken, and get those live. We're getting another 12 Gaylords on Tuesday, so I want to get that all scanned, get the books to the lister's house, merchant fulfill the books that are going to be merchant fulfilled, and hopefully get eBay done. And then on terms of the YouTube videos, I don't know if I'm going to keep doing them daily. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. I might take a different approach where I just do maybe videos that are more planned out, based on certain topics. I do kind of like doing the daily video because it's like a way to like kind of get thoughts out there, kind of like give you guys like an inside look at what's going on. Um, but I just don't know if you guys or if they're really like super helpful. They do take a good bit of time, so I don't know if it'd be better just to like kind of sit down and like almost fully flesh out a couple of video ideas and then go from there. Um, but I'm gonna debate that in my head. I might just do like almost like the daily videos that I've been doing and upload them to Instagram or put them in my story. Um, I think that almost might be better. And then for YouTube, actually do like almost more how to videos, more maybe some like mindset stuff. I have a bunch of ideas, but yeah, kind of doing it and making the image and upload it just takes a good hour a day, maybe not an hour, but it just takes some time. So I'm gonna be thinking about that, but yeah, maybe kind of the daily vlog style videos I will post maybe as like I forgot what they're even called, but like an Instagram watch video. So I might do that. So be on the lookout for that. But yeah, so that was kind of the week. I hope you guys had a good week. I will definitely be keeping you updated about what's going on. And yeah, let me know in the comments how your week went, what you have planned for the upcoming week. Please like and subscribe to the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot. And I will talk to you guys soon.